everybody? I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. In this video, I'll specifically be showing you how to change the band on the Galaxy Watch 4. This will be a full tutorial, but it'll also be quick and easy, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the face of the Galaxy Watch 4, the side that you generally see. We want to flip it over and look on the underside, which is a side that makes contact with your wrist and your skin. So it makes contact with your skin. We're going to flip it over to see that side right there. Now, we're not concerned about the actual unit. We're concerned about the band or the straps. Now, you'll notice that there are these little silver pieces on either side of either band, okay? So what we're gonna do on either one is I'm gonna use my fingernail and I'm gonna push it inwards towards the middle, towards the center. And when I do that, I'm gonna be able to slide the band off, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna use my fingernail. It's kind of hard. You got to kind of like maneuver it in there. Okay. It might be easier if you have longer nails, but my nails are rather short. So we're just going to go ahead. We're going to, as you can see right here, like just to show you what I'm working with. If you have longer nails, you'd probably be done by now. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to dig my fingernail in there, slide it in towards the middle, and I can remove the band. Now that's how you remove it. Okay. Now, as you can see right here, what you're doing is essentially this side is pushing up against one end of the watch, okay? And when you push this in, it's sort of spring loaded. As you can see right there, when you push it in, you shorten the length of this pin, okay? Which allows you to remove it, as you can see right over there, okay? And then you can slide it out. Now, when you're ready to put it back in place, you do the exact opposite, okay? You get one side, and you want to put each pin in those little holes that you can see right over there. Either side has a little hole right over there, okay? I don't know what's going on the watch. It's showing a GPS or something. I'm going to turn that off right there. Anyways, so what we're going to do now is we are going to just put one pin in place, okay? I'm going to slide this little lever towards the middle. It's kind of, like I said, it's kind of difficult to do when you have shorter nails like me. And we just want to get it, slide it enough. Hold on 1 second here, 1 second. We got one side in place, okay? We're gonna slide this lever in towards the middle. Just want to get it enough to make it slide in place. We will get this, I promise you. I'm not gonna have to redo this video. We're gonna get this right now. So I'll use my other fingernail. There we go, that one's a bit longer. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. It's hard because I'm looking through the camera screen, but essentially you put that in place like that, okay? You slide your lever in. Really difficult to do looking through the camera screen, so I'm gonna just look at the actual unit and just bear with me as I try and get it done. So we don't have to redo this video. There we go. Okay, so I did it. It clicked in place and it's done. So if you want to replace the band or the strap, it's that easy. Now, I was going to demonstrate it with the other side too, but I don't want to make you sit through that again. So the other side is the exact same thing, okay? Really that easy. It's that easy to do. There are lots of aftermarket bands and straps that you can get, or you can get different sized ones. So yeah, if you want to change the strap or the band of your Galaxy Watch 4, that's how you do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.